Kangaroo Paw, agroplants.org, also known as Anigozanthos. So this Kangaroo Paw, it's Hibiscus rhizomes. It's perennial evergreen or summer deciduous in a hot climate. Used for the ornamental flowers, they are quite of unique. Can use as a cut flower for bouquet, and it's drought-tolerant plant, but better with water in the summer. This is the reason that it's become deciduous. So, if you would like to grow it, there is a link below, link in the right top side. If you purchase, this is a donation for this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, of course, just make right now the like. Can grow in a variety of climate, will be subtropical, Mediterranean, desert or temperate climate. Possible to grow it indoor as a houseplant and grow in hardiness zone of 10 to 12. It's possible to grow it even in a hardiness zone of 9, but better to take care of it in the winter, to add some mulch and to protect it a little bit. The leaves are linear shape. Leaves can be hairy like velvet. Flower color can be variety of colors, can be red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, black, or just mix of colors. The flowers in cone shape and grow together on the stems. They create like a star shape, so this is nice. And if you have a lot of imagination, you can imagine a kangaroo paws, but this you need a little bit imagination. Except this, so how to grow. It's slightly acidic soil and well-drained soil are very important for this plant. Prune it once a year, better after the blooming season. If you water it in the summer, it will be evergreen, so it's something to consider. And except this, this plant hate overwater. So maybe if you have a lot of rains in the winter, consider to use raising bed or something like this. You can start to grow it by rhizomes, seeds, or just to buy a plant. Be aware that it might be invasive. Planting season will be spring in hardiness zone of 9, spring to summer in hardiness zone of 10A, spring to autumn in hardiness zone of 10B to 11, and all the year in the hardiness zone of 12. Better not to plant it in the hot summer because it won't grow and might die even. Major pests are the aphids, and pruning season will be in the summer. Usually you prune the dead bloom and the stems and the leaves even. Or what is dead, just cut it out. Except this, the height of the plant will be from 30 cm to 3 meter. It depends the species. It's been 1 to 10 feet. And in the right condition, it will be fast-growing plant that requires small to average amount of water. The plants need good drainage and doesn't like a lot of water, so don't overwater it. It will die. You can grow it in light condition from full sun to full shade with a lot of light. This is why it can grow as a house plant. So it's not a problem to grow it indoor. Take care that will be a lot of light and well ventilated location. It's important for the plants because it will be just not enough light and the place will be stand the ventilation. It will be very standing. It might affect on the plant. This is from what I saw it. If you choose to grow it in a container from 10 to 20 liters, so it's mean 2.5 to 5 gallons, something like this. For more information about how to grow it in a container, you can check in the website growplants.org. Of course, you have a link below. Blooming season will be from the spring to the summer. Even in the autumn can bloom. To grow it from seed, so be aware that the sowing requirement will be lightly moist soil, warm weather, and good rain. It's very important. Consider to use a sandy soil mix with potting mix. Keep the seeds until sowing in dry and dark location and room temperature. Sowing season will be from spring to the summer, possible all the year, but in a hardiness zone of 11 to 12. Will be a better established in the spring. The main reason that you don't want to plant it in the summer, not because it cannot work, but a lot of time it's go to dormant in the summer, and might be a problem. Planting spacing will be 30 on 40 centimeters, so it's mean 12 on 16 inches. Sowing 1 centimeter deep, so it's mean 0.5 inches. Except this, the plant prefers sunny location in order to germinate. After this, you can move it even for full shade after start to germinate. Let's say after a few leaves. It requires small amount of water, and do not overwater, and don't let it dry. It takes usually between 3 to 5 weeks to germinate. And except this, it's a beautiful plant with beautiful flowers. I understood that it's not very popular, but if you live in an arid location and you don't want to put a lot of water, or just a place, like a desert or something like this, it's a plant to consider to grow. So consider to grow it. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy, and come visit us again.